G'day folks, it's that Tassie Food Guy and I'm back with something really special for you today. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen. And what we're going to do, well, Christmas is coming, as I'm sure you're well aware, and you're probably wondering, how can I really impress my guests on Christmas Day? Something just that little bit different. I've got just a thing for you. Been down to Woolworths and I found this. Have a look. Yes, it's Ingham's 100% Aussie poultry 3-bird roast. A 3-bird roast! Does it get any better than that? We're talking turkey, duck and chicken. You may have heard it referred to in the past as a turducken. I like 3-bird roast. Sounds